Welcome back, everyone. My dad had this cool new electric motorcycle, but the problem is I have no space to put my hands. Plus, my dad put this bulky foam holder thing. It makes my hands get uncomfortable. So, I'm going to show you how to put the handlebars. As you see in this video that I'm having a hard time to look for a place to put my hands. So in this video, I will be showing you this really cool solution that will allow me to ride with my dad and have my hands in a comfortable position. Okay, let's get started. First, use the included 3mm Allen key that comes with the parts. Next, you want to unscrew the top parts on both brackets enough to slide the tube like this. Unscrew the bottom screw all the way and be careful not to lose the little screws. It will be the best if you put them in a small Ziploc bag. Now remove this part from the inside on both brackets. Next, we will use only this one for both to put on to the main handlebar. Here at the bottom, for extra grip, use a little piece of electrical tape and wrap the bar. This next part might be tricky, so have someone help you. In my case, it will be my dad. Now open the bottom part of this bracket and carefully get under the bar and close it. Do this for both at the same time. Once you have in position, put the small screw in and tighten it for both, but not all the way too tight because we still have to find the right position where it will be comfortable. Now sit on the bike and move the bar to the position that feels right for you. Once you get it, have your helper keep in the position as you tighten the screws all the way tight. Then finally make sure the tube is centered. Tighten those screws also. Finally, now I have a safe place to put my hands now to go for a test ride. So much better. Plus, my dad got rid of the bulky phone holder, and it will be installing a better one that will not be in my way. Stay tuned for that video. The handlebars are okay, but if you want to make it super comfortable, install these foam covers. This is the part you need your helper because you need to use a razor blade. Have your helper measure how much to cut. And to do this, you want to get your blade, put it right next to the handlebar, put it against the foam. Now take the foam lightly, put pressure on blade to the foam as you turn it. You should be able to see a light mark on the foam grip like this. Next, you cut the foam on line, either with your razor blade or scissors. Make sure you're careful when doing this. Next, you're going to use rubbing alcohol. You're going to pour this inside the foam grip like this. Make sure the part is uneven. It's going to go on the inside on the hand grip, metal part. And the nice part is going to go on the outside. Pour the alcohol like this in the inside. Here's how you do it. Now, slide it in. Twist as you install. Now, make sure the end flush with the end cap, like this. It feels nice and smooth. Oh, so much better. The ride's gonna be so comfortable, for sure. If this video helped you, smash the like button. If it didn't help you, smash the dislike button. If you don't like this video, comment below why you didn't like this video. If you have any questions below in the comment, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for our next video. And thank you for watching my video.